Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert an image in Photoshop 2026 step by step in the easiest way possible. Whether you're creating a thumbnail, a poster, social media content, or just practicing, knowing how to properly insert images is one of the most important basic skills in Photoshop. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to place an image, but also how to resize it, move it, organize it in layers, and adjust it like a pro. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop 2026 on your computer. Once Photoshop is open, you need to open your main project file. Go to the top menu, click on File, then click Open. Choose your background image or open a blank canvas if you're starting from scratch. Select your file and click Open. Now your main document is ready. To insert an image into this project, go back to the top menu and click File again. From the drop-down menu, choose Place Embedded. This option allows you to insert an image directly into your current document as a new layer. When the file browser opens, navigate to the image you want to insert from your computer. Select the image and click Place. As soon as you do that, the image will appear on your canvas with a transform box around it. This transform box allows you to resize and adjust the image before placing it permanently. To resize the image, click and drag any of the corner handles. In Photoshop 2026, proportions are maintained automatically when dragging from the corners, so your image won't stretch or distort. If you want to make it smaller, drag inward. If you want to make it bigger, drag outward. To move the image, simply click inside the transform box and drag it anywhere on the canvas. Position it exactly where you want it to sit in your design. Take your time adjusting the size and placement until it looks right. Once you're happy with the size and position, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the placement. Now the image is officially inserted into your project. Next, look over at the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see that your inserted image appears as a brand new layer. This is very important because Photoshop works with layers, and each inserted image stays separate from your background. You can select the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard, then click and drag the image anytime to reposition it. If you want the image to appear behind or in front of other elements, simply click and drag the layer up or down in the Layers panel to change the layer order. You can also adjust the opacity at the top of the Layers panel. Lowering the opacity makes the image more transparent, which is useful for blending effects or overlays. Here's a quick bonus tip. Instead of using Place Embedded, you can directly drag an image file from your folder straight into your open Photoshop document. Once you release your mouse, the transform box will appear automatically. Resize it, position it, press Enter, and you're done. This is one of the fastest ways to insert images. And that's it. That's how to insert an image in Photoshop 2026 quickly and correctly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.